Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install your LiteFinance app on your mobile phone. It's pretty simple. Here are some few steps. So if you are using an iPhone, go to your App Store. If you are using an Android phone, go to your Play Store. So when you come to your App Store, you click on search, then you search for LiteFinance. So the very LiteFinance official page will show up, this LiteFinance. Then you click on download. So I've already downloaded it. All I need to do is just to click on open. So the next thing for me now is to log in. Let me log in. So yes, I successfully log in my LiteFinance account. So here I can see all my currencies. Here I can see my cryptocurrency. Here I can see my commodities. I can do my copy trading. I can also check my portfolio, and I can also check more. So now that you've seen how you can install your LiteFinance, I'm going to be showing you how we can install our MT4, MT5. So know that when you have your LiteFinance app, when you create your LiteFinance account, you officially have by default MT5. So that's why you can see MT5 here. And we can manually create multiple accounts. As you can see, you said we already got 3 accounts, which is 1, 2, 3. So let's create MT4 account. Click on open. This is MT4 Classic. We have so many MT4, MT5, even save and sent account. So let's say I want to click on MT4. Here is how I click on MT4. MT4 Classic 2, you click on OK. Then once you're done, you click on Open Trading Account. So I've successfully created an MT4 account using my mobile phone. So guys, that's not all. Immediately you create your MT4 account, it will automatically shows that you should turn it into main underneath it. So the last account you created will be shown below. So let us click on turn into main. Make this account main, then you click yes. So as you can see, it's showing main, and once we go up, the MT5 is no longer there. So the first thing you need to do is to set your trader's password, which is very important, and also keep your server login. So this server login is what we are going to use to log into our MT4. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and link your LiteFinance account to your MT4.